Another Igbo man from Ebonyi state don build another keke where they use solar energy dey work. No be small thing, no, this keke get solar panel for up wey be say if he drive am go anywhere, if you like carry am go Maiduguri, no problem, but the keke dey go dey charge himself dey go. Now wow, God don remember ndị Igbo. Wetin dey call science and technology wey Oliver the Coke talk abatago ala Igbo. My people, no be small thing, no, things are happening as we dey talk now. They say Odumeje don vex, say he go use blow comot one pastor wey dey for one prophet wey dey for Ghana teeth. As the prophet come outside, they come tell say Odumeje no get any power, say he get oko na be for under him bed wey they do things. He no finish for there. Now the prophet talk say as he be like this now, say that Jesus wey don buy sins, he say he go wake up come disturb Odumeje, say it go happen for Nigeria. Remember say na this same prophet Abisia na he come outside come talk say him dey see Mr. Ibu, say be like say casket dey follow am. Una go know am now for TikTok. Odumeje don provoke, he say he go use blow comot him teeth before that thing wey him talk. However, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balaba Gist, my people. If it's not the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you update back to back as it dey hot. Things are happening and we dey here, they bring you the update. My people, they say that another Igbo man don build wetin they call keke. Now because no keke na, but this keke dey special. This one now, he get solar panel for up where they power the engine. You no need to buy fuel. You know say when e don red for inside Nigeria, now Igbo people go come outside come bring solution. But because of power, they no want bring Igbo people come in, make they settle the economy. You go see now dollar go down for bah. But however, I be like say some people say they don't want be Nigeria again, so I not think that one go fit work. But however, and so you be on how say move bring her. But let's go and jump into this matter. I don't know how I want to settle this one. No, this one where Odumeje don't fly go up. I be say I fit talk now before I know now my teeth tire. However, he saying go use this power in Taboshi and the Lahaba Hoshi. Go meet this man for Ghana. He must come on in teeth for that thing we talk. If you don't know what in this man talk, or you watch the video.
Prophet Odumeje, now he say I see Dangote refinery on fire. He should come to my church in Anambra so I can pray for him and counter his prophecy. Prophet Odumeje. Who is this one? You dey why yourself? You dey wine.
The spiritual background where it protects Dangote is bigger than Odumeje in whole church.
I know he say if I come to him church.
Odumeje, God never called Odumeje. Odumeje na medicine man where you want thank pastor. Odumeje no be pastor. Odumeje rana if you go in room you go find pot full of juju.
No, they said prophet. Maybe it's the wrong person that you're talking about.
Odumeje no be prophet. I know Odumeje now.
No, see, prophet Odumeje. Maybe it's the wrong person that you're talking about.
Good. And not be this fair man.
Yes. Light skin man, yes.
Odumeje gets on one bad secret, make I tell you. Odumeje, when it comes to destroying people for people, he's good at it. But when it comes to helping people to see success, he can't do it.
Why would you say that?
He is not called by God, one. And he don't even know the work of God. See how they do things. Odumeje, now fitted priest, he not be a man of God. So coming out to tell Dangote, say fire outbreak,
yes,
go hit in company,
yes,
in refine in the lie. This system, I tell you, say this 2024, now fire, it go to control everywhere. So for him coming out to say it, he always watch our video. He dey follow our prophecy. Recently, he gives some prophecy for a church where somebody from Nigeria saying, "Give me, say, see ya, watch this man. This man is still your prophecy."
What is it? He talk waiting.
And the camera can come there. I want to bring one security. You see, now they have one celebrity for Nigeria and they call her Adame.
Oh, she's late.
Adame is late.
Yes.
So a woman carry Adame go give this man. Adame is sickness, he kill him for land. The woman is buy or Odumeje know about it. But you know when they go know, the punishment go soon come out. Nigeria go yam. That woman then Ada may get small beef quarrel, small beef. What the exchange was, what the woman say, Ada don't insult him. He first curse him when he said carry and go give this man. Ooh. What this man there in room inside doing yeah things where Ada don't buy. Ada spirit no go rest. Watch how it go happen for Nigeria. Odumeje they no be Christian, no be Christian no. They are just using God name. You don't have this man don't have anything apart from going to the gods of the land for powers. That one they have access to go there. That one said now dwarf if they go in the man there. He got nothing to offer Nigerians. So if you are attending this man church in Anambra State, or no be Anambra State,
yes,
in Anambra State, you are wasting your time and your energy and your finance.
But he has crowd though.
And you have crowd. I mean, see, he talk like he get power. He always speak as if he live with God. He speak as if he live in heaven, but he's not living on earth. So people believe the hard words that comes from his mouth, but he got nothing to offer anybody in Nigeria and the world. So Odumeje, you know, be man of God. So, now do have Libya. You know about that. You know about it. Me I tell you. See, we go punch this secret. It will come out for Nigeria. Ada, he deaf. You know be time.
So the spirit no feel rest.
Oh, he no go rest. He no go rest. Odumeje, when it comes to destroying of things, he is good at it. This one, if that go take not take time, Odumeje go put fire for a refinery tossing and he talk him, but I know be talk him. He go be pass back, go cause fire for there. Can't toss it. Prophecy don't happen because he's angry for prophecy. He's angry for something to happen. Me the toss say he talk him. God never open eye. God never call him. Now me the talk him. Good, because of karma and the gods of the land, I know real men of God and fake men of God. He's not man of God. So make you know the young for them say Dangote refining it will catch fire. I talk already say this year fire is controlling the world. So everything you are doing, be very careful with fire. Gas station will catch fire anyhow. Filling station will catch fire anyhow. Cars if they move, they go, they can will catch fire. Plane if they fly, it will catch fire. Train if they move, it will catch fire. Every movable thing on this earth will catch fire when the time reach. So we only need prayers for the world. And whatever spirit you believe in, I beg, find protection from there. Don't go and follow this fake man of God who want money to build the world and buy a private jet and enjoy life to the fullest and forgetting you and your generation. Now waste time, man.
Yeah, my people, it don't settle. The day where they go do this resting, I will try my day that day make a watch am. Man know how Odumeje want to jump up for inside this big man body. My people, I beg, may you let us know what you think for this matter. Now who go settle this fight? May you let us know. As you don't see him, say this our brother. Don't build another thing. I beg, I take God a beg una. We'll get show what we want do. Come we announce am the time where that show go take up. Anything, if you are my fans, you dey watch me, you dey share my videos, anything where you know say you go fit do for this life, where we say person never do am, or you want do am your own way, where we say nobody, people no know am. You understand? Anything for you know, for you, but they say in such way if you invent, na say na you build this thing. I beg, may they gather am, because anytime we will give green light for this show, may you turn up, because now we want support people who want create that something come aside for inside Biafra land, for inside, even though you are not a Biafra, you are another tribe, but you get something where you want show to the world, we go help you bring them come aside. So prepare yourself for that when the green light will be given. My people, share this video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates as they hot.